Our top focus this afternoon, a day of high drama in the national capital. In fact, the BJP is staging a counter-protest against the stir by Aam Aadmi Party. BJP is demanding a Chief Minister, Arvind Kejriwal, who remains in ED custody. On the other hand, AAP leaders have also launched this stir in the national capital. Now, they are moving towards the Prime Minister's residence at Lok Kalyan Marg in a bid to gheraw it. In fact, many of them have also been detained. The escalated face-off comes over the arrest of Delhi CM Arvind Kejriwal. Massive bandobast has been put in place and traffic diversions have been issued. In fact, Delhi Metro has also issued an advisory. Let's tell you that exit and entry points of Lok Kalyan Marg Metro Station have been sealed entirely. There has also been an increased frisking of commuters at the metro gates, which has come as an inconvenience. Meanwhile, amid ED probing the first order, Kejriwal has now issued a second order from inside ED custody. This order relates to the health department after the earlier one was issued in relation to the water ministry. Now, the Enforcement Directorate is also questioning the Delhi CM about a missing cabinet note which was prepared by the Excise Department and placed before the Council of Ministers on 28th of January 2021. Now, let's tell you that the said cabinet note contains summary of comments and suggestions received from public stakeholders and 3 legal opinions. Ila, my colleague, of course, who's been continuously reporting on this story, joins me for more inputs. Ila, good afternoon. Clearly, the stir is intensified, but we understand you're at the site where BJP is holding this counter-protest. Give us a quick sense of what's the situation on ground and what is it that they're demanding?
Well, BJP was protesting against Aam Aadmi Party near the ITO and they were marching towards the Central Secretariat. They were at Firoz Shah Kotla and from there they were trying to reach Delhi Secretariat where the Aam Aadmi Party ministers sit. And they are demanding that Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal now should resign. Police used water cannon on the protesting supporters of BJP and the leaders and have detained. Now they are opening the ways and they are opening the barricades for the traffic, and several BJP leaders and supporters are now detained by Delhi police. Delhi police is bringing back the normalcy on the road because from 11, many of the ways which were leading towards Firoz Shah and ITO, from ITO to Firoz Shah, were barricaded due to the protest. Now, BJP was protesting against Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal and was demanding his resignation, saying that now he is in jail. The government, as Delhi is suffering, and they are also saying that ED has summoned 9 times to Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, but he didn't appear. That means he was involved in the alleged liquor policy scam. Now the BJP supporters are detained and now the police is opening the way for the traffic. Over to you.
Right, Ila, I appreciate you getting us all those inputs as far as what really essentially took place there in terms of the counter-protest by the BJP. We leave it at that. But my colleague Pulkit, of course, was reporting from where the Aam Aadmi Party was holding this stir. Let's take a look at this report.
पटेल चौक पर मैं मौजूद हूँ इस वक्त और पुलिस काफी ज्यादा तादाद में यहाँ पर है। यही वो पॉइंट था जहाँ पर कार्यकर्ताओं को इकट्ठा होना था और प्रधानमंत्री आवास का घेराव करना था। लेकिन ये जो आप बस देख रहे हैं, इसी तरीके से हर थोड़ी देर में बस लगाई जाती है और जितने भी कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पहुंचते हैं उन्हें तुरंत डिटेन कर लिया जाता है। यानी कि किसी को भी ये मौका नहीं दिया जा रहा है कि वो भारी संख्या में इकट्ठा हो सके। छोटे छोटे टुकड़ों में कार्यकर्ता यहाँ पहुंच रहे हैं, पुलिस बस लगाती है और तुरंत उन्हें डिटेन कर भेज देती है। तो ये तस्वीर दिल्ली के पटेल चौक मेट्रो स्टेशन की है, जहां पर काफी ज्यादा तादाद में कार्यकर्ता इकट्ठा होंगे, ऐसा आह्वान किया गया था और यहीं से ही प्रधानमंत्री आवास की तरफ इन कार्यकर्ताओं को जाना था। लेकिन पुलिस यहां से ही डिटेन कर धारा 144 आसपास के इलाकों में लगाई हुई है और उन लोगों को डिटेन करके यहां से भेज देती है। तो वो स्थिति दिल्ली में नहीं हुई है कि प्रधानमंत्री आवास की तरफ कार्यकर्ता पहुंच पाए या दूसरी जगहों पर पहुंच पाए। पंजाब, हरियाणा, दिल्ली, उत्तर प्रदेश, इन राज्यों से कार्यकर्ता यहां पहुंच रहे थे।